if we hid away every time something bad happened, we'd never leave the house.
I need more, Scott. I'm in real trouble.
My offer still stands.
I saw you last night.
My child is missing. I have no idea where she is. I don't know who she's with.
I just saw a different life and I wanted it. And now I can't go back.
We've got a week to find $3,000.
Are you ever gonna forgive it?
Men have needs.
And women don't. I'd do anything to change things if I could.
Life isn't about doing what makes you happy. It's about doing what you need to do to keep a roof over your head.
We're gonna build a family so strong it can never fall apart.